हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कल हमने आपको डायरेक्ट स्पीच में कुछ डायरेक्ट बनाने के लिए 25 आपको एक प्रकार से डाले थे। आज हम दोबारा आपको ये 20 और 4 एक्स्ट्रा दे रहे हैं। फर्स्ट इसमें पुट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करना है। वुड यू लाइक टू कम विथ अस, दे सेड। Second is the commander-in-chief said, farewell, my country. Third, why are you not appearing in exams? Said his friend. इसमें RV बाद में ये RS पहले आ गई है। When do you want to speak? Asked the gatekeeper. 5, how long have you been learning French? said the teacher. इसमें भी RV बाद में है। Where will you be tomorrow? I said, in case I have to ring you. इसमें 2 RS हैं, एक तो ये और ये हो गई। 7, she said, commented, let's enjoy to good dinner and party. 8, he said to her, commented, may you live long. ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी आ गया। 9, the son said, do you think you could give some more pudding, please mother? Then go and get me piece of chalk and come straight back. The teacher said to the, इसमें भी RV बाद में है। ये थोड़ा हट करके हैं, विदाउट रूल्स जैसे इसमें दे रखे हैं वैसे। He said, commented, thank you. 12, he said, liar. 13, he said, commented, what a pity. ये भी एक्सक्लेमेटरी में आ गया। 14, let me explain. She said, don't be in such a hurry, 15, get yourself some new clothes, I suggested. 16, where do you live? asked the stranger. 17, he said, will you listen to such a man? 18, do you suppose you know better than your own father? Asked his angry brother. 19, Rama said to Arjun, go away. 20, he said to him, please wait here till I return. ये 20 है और अब इनके आंसर आगे दिए जा रहे हैं, आप देखें। आंसर फर्स्ट है, they requested me to come with them. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं तो मी बना सकते हैं। सेकंड, द कमांडर इन चीफ bade farewell to his country. इसमें हम बैड लिख सकते हैं। थर्ड, his friend asked me why I was not appearing in exams. For the gatekeeper asked me when I wanted to speak. 5, the teacher asked me how long I had been learning French. 6, I asked him where he would be the next day in case I had to ring him. 7, she proposed that they should enjoy a good dinner and party. 8, he wished that she might live long. 9, the son requested his mother to give some more pudding. और 10, the teacher ordered the boy to go and get him a piece of chalk and to come straight back. 11, the thanked me. केवल इसका ये बनेगा thanked me. 12 का he called me a liar. और 13, she explained with sorrow that it was a great pity. 14, she proposed to let her explain and not to be in such a hurry. 15, I suggested getting some new clothes for him. 16, the stranger asked me where I lived. 17, he asked me if I would listen to such a man. 18, his angry mother asked him if he supposed he knew better than his own father. 19, Rama ordered Arjun to go away. कनेक्टिव 2 इसमें he requested him to, इसमें 2 कनेक्टिव wait till he return. तो इसमें 20 के 20 आंसर है। नेक्स्ट इसमें रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस by changing them for direct and indirect speech. First, the boy said, "Hurry, hurray." The boy said, commented का hurray, exclamatory चिन्ह आ गया, और we have won the match. The boy exclaimed with joy. इसके आंसर नीचे दे रहा हूं मैं. The teacher said to Ramesh, "Will you do my home work now?" Question mark. Interrogative आ गया. The minister said, "You can open the new bridge for the public today." और इसका फोर्थ है, The principal said to clerk, "Do this work or leave the office." आंसर फर्स्ट का है, The boys explained with joy that they had won the match. सेकंड का आंसर है, The teacher asked Ramesh if he would do his teacher's work then. या इसमें ऐसे लिखते डायरेक्ट ही है टीचर. The minister said that you could open the new bridge for the public that day. Fourth है, The principal ordered the clerk to do that work or leave the office. That's all. इनको अपनी नोटबुक पढ़ें और इनके बिना देखे आंसर करें. नहीं आता है तभी आंसर देखें, और कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप डायरेक्ट मुझे कॉल करें. कल आपका नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट रहेंगे. दैट्स ऑल.